Just to brief you all again, we are conducting these math concept classes to clear your doubts in maths and to increase your confidence to solve the problems, and you can do it so that you can do it fast and also correct. Sometimes in hurry we make mistakes, but if we just pay attention to our calculations and use the tricks that our tutors are teaching here, then you can also obtain very good marks. In fact, you can score 100 out of 100 in your exams. And this will not only help in exams, but it will also help you in your daily life. We can start the class, and I would request you, Kapil, to take over this class now. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Shita. Hi, good evening, everyone. So,
Sir.
yeah, Hardik, who is Minecraft lover? Please rename yourself. And Ishita Agarwal. Guys, please rename. I need to know your real name. So if you can't just type your name in the chat box. Okay, Swastik and okay, Karthik. So your name is not Hardik, is it? It's Karthik. Okay, and Sharanya. Okay, Sharanya, fine. Okay, guys, so in the last session, we talked about subtraction. Okay, so today we'll start with multiplication. Okay, so we'll look at the basics. Okay, just a second. Yeah. So first, what is multiplication? So multiplication is actually repeated addition. So for example, let's say if you multiply 6 and 3. So what are we trying to say? We are actually adding 3 6 times. Okay. Or you can say that you are adding 6 3 times. Okay, which is again 18. Okay, so you can also visualize this using boxes. So 6 times 3, so you can imagine 6 boxes and each box has 3 parts. Okay, or you can imagine 3 boxes and each box has 6 parts, something like that. Okay, so that's multiplication. Of course, you can show multiplication as a rectangle, and here order is not important. So 6 times 3 is same as 3 times 6. Fine. So yeah, now let's look at some simple word problems. The simple example. So Annie has 8 balls. Carol has 4 times as many balls as Annie. So how many balls does Carol have? So what are we going to do? We are going to simply multiply, right? 8 times 4 is equal to 32. And of course, you should know the multiplication table of at least first 10 natural numbers. Okay, that's important, from 1 to 10. Okay, yeah. There's this another question. Quickly write the answer in the chat box. So there are 12 pupils in each IT class. There are 7 IT classes in total. How many pupils are there in the IT classes? Yes, guys, quickly write your answer. Okay, Susan, others? Okay, there is another Ishita Agarwal. What's your name, dear? Yeah, Swastik, correct. Okay. So, uh, Sharanya, Karthik. So it's simply 12 times 7. And we know that 12 times 7 is 84. Okay. Now let's quickly uh, look at the multiplication of a two-digit number by a one-digit number. Okay. So yes, Sujal, that's correct. Okay. So to multiply a two-digit number by a one-digit number, we simply multiply the ones digit of the two-digit number by the given number. So basically 2 times 4, that would be 8, and then 2 times 1 would be 2. So it's 28. Yeah, Swastik, correct. Okay. Another one. So here we'll multiply 3 and 4. So this gives us 12. Now 12 is a two-digit number. So the 1 will be carried over. So here we have to regroup. And then we'll multiply 1 with 4, and then we will add 1. So 4 times 1 is 4, and eventually we need to add this carry, 5. So it's 52. Yes, correct. So as the others, okay, now try this one quickly. Give your answer in the chat box. 36 times 3. Yes, Swastik, Sujal. Others are not responding. Karthik, Sharanya, yeah, please respond. So 3 times 6 is, okay, Karthik, good. 3 times 6 is 18. So 8, and then 1 will be carried over. 3 times 3 is 9, and we'll add 1. So the answer would be 108. Okay. So yeah, with this, let's move to multiplication facts. So I know that you guys are aware of this, but just for the sake of the lesson, just let's quickly, visit this. So the first one is, yeah, as I told you earlier, order is not important in multiplication. Okay. So 4 times 9 is same as 9 times 4. The second fact is when a number is multiplied by 1, the product is number itself. Okay. And when a number is multiplied by 0, the product is always 0. That's the third fact. Fine. So I hope this is clear, right? There are no questions as of now. Anyone has any questions here? If yes, then please raise your hand. Okay, no. Fine, great. So now let's move to multiplication of three-digit numbers. Okay. So let's say we have a three-digit number and we have to multiply it by a one-digit number. So yes, guys. Sujal, that's not correct. Yeah. So please respond in the chat box. The answer is 369. Yeah. Okay. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 2 is 6. And 3 times 1 is 3. Okay. Okay. Karthik, Ishita. So, so many participants have Ishita as their name. So kindly rename yourself. Okay, it's quite confusing for me. I know Sharanya, but since there's too many Ishitas, uh, I don't know which one is Sharanya now. Others, please rename. Yeah, so the answer is 369. Next one, try this. So here again, we'll multiply one's digit of this three-digit number by 3. So 3 times 4 is 12. Now since 12 is a two-digit number, 1 has to be carried over. Next, we'll multiply 3 with 1. So 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1, 4. And 3 times 2 is 6. Okay, which one? Okay, you're solving this question. Fine. So this one is 642. I hope this is clear. Fine. Now swastik. Okay. So next is 576 times 4. Which one are you guys doing? 2305. Yeah, so next is 576 times 4. So correct. Swastik Karthik, 4 times 6 is 24. So 2 will be carried over, 28, 30. Okay, what are you guys doing? Why your answer is 2324? Swastik, Swastik, that's not correct. Ishita, not correct. Karthik, not correct. We need to multiply 576 by 4. Guys, no, that's not correct. Yes, it should be 2304. 4 times 6 is 24. So 4 will be placed here and 2 will be carried over. Okay. Then we'll multiply 7 and 4. 7 times 4 is 28 plus 2. So 30. 0 and 3 will be carried over. Then 4 times 5 is 20. 20 plus 3 is 23. Guys, is this clear? Give me a thumbs up quickly. Yes, Karthik, Ishita. Okay. Can you rename yourself? Karthik has raised his hand. Yeah, Karthik, unmute. What's the question? Do you have a question, Karthik? Can you unmute yourself?
No, sir. Sorry.
Did you understand? Okay, so, okay, these Ishita Agarwals, what's your name? We will rename you. So please tell us your name quickly in the chat box. I can see 3 Ishitas here. Guys, quickly. Send your names in the chat box. Sharanya, okay. Now, Sharanya. Ishita, can you please rename? Yeah, okay, thank you. Others, other two. Fine, in the meantime, let's continue. Okay, now multiplication of a 2-digit number with another 2-digit number. Okay, so basically we have two 2-digit numbers. So how many of you can solve this quickly? Yeah, do it and respond in the chat box. Sujal, okay, I think it's correct. Good. Others? So when we multiply two 2-digit numbers, so let's call this as top number, bottom number. Okay, so we'll multiply the top number by the ones digit of the bottom number first. Okay, that means we'll multiply 28 by 7. So 7 times 8 is Karthik, Sharanya, good. Okay, 7 times 8 is 56. So 6, and then 5 will be carried over. 7 times 2 is 14. 14 plus 5 is 19. Okay, after this, we are going to multiply the top number by the tens digit. Okay, and since we are multiplying by a 10, we will add a 0, additional 0. So basically we are multiplying 28 by 50. Okay, so we'll add a 0 and then we are going to multiply 28 by 5. So 5 times 8 is 40. So 0, and then 4 will be carried over. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 4, 40. So eventually we are going to add these two. So essentially, what are we doing exactly? We are actually multiplying 28 with 50 plus 7, okay, which is 57. So first we are multiplying 28 with 7, which gives us 196. And then we are multiplying 28 with 50, which gives us 1400. And eventually we are adding these two. Okay, fine. Now try this word problem. Okay, quickly. Vihan, 1400. Yeah. 28 times 50 is 1400. Now solve this. There are 84 balloons in a packet. Caustic. What's 1400 here? Okay, solve this question. This one. So each packet has 84 balloons and we have 48 such packets. So we need to find the total number of balloons. Sharanya, check your calculations. So what do we have to do here? We need to multiply 84 and 48. Okay. Yes, Sujal, correct. Swastik, correct. Others, Vihan, Charanya. Yes, correct. Okay. So first we'll multiply 84 by 8. So 2, 3, 8 times 8, 64, 67. Then we'll multiply 84 by 40. So first we will add a 0. Okay. Then 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 8 is 32. So this becomes 33. Okay, Vihan, yeah, good. So 4032. So this was basics of multiplication. Okay, now let's solve a few questions quickly. Okay, so solve with me. Okay, let's start with this. 7 times 4. Yes, guys, 28. 3 times 8 is 24. Okay, so you have to do it quickly and type your answer in the chat box. Okay, 8 times 7 is 56. 6 times 9 is 54. 13 times 5 is 65. 23 times 2, 46. 84 times 7. Yes, guys, quickly. Yes, Swastik, good. It's 100. Wait. Swastik, 84 times 7. Is it 168? It's 7, not 2. Yes, others, 84 times 7. Yes, Vihan, correct. Others, Sujal, Sharanya, yeah, Swastik. Do the calculations properly. So 62 times 8. Next one. Guys, 62 times 8. Yes, 496. Then 245. Sujal, you have written 2425. Okay, good. Yeah, next 345 times 7. 2415. Next one. 1340 times 6. Yes, guys, come on. Sujal, okay. Yeah, okay, good. 8040. Others? Vihan, Sharanya. Okay. Next one. 8050 times 9. Yes, guys, respond. Okay, Parth, Sharanya, Sujal. Yeah, keep on solving. Yeah, correct. Next one. 30,125. Swastik, okay, good. Others? Now, 3,425 times 13. Sujal, check your answer again. Yes, guys, quickly. Swastik, there is a mistake. Check again. So 3 times 5, 15, 1. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 3. Yes, Vihan, correct. Okay, Sujal, now it's correct. 3 times 3 is 9 plus 1, 10. Okay. Then we'll put a 0 here. 5, 2, 4, 3. So it's 44,525. Yes, Swastik. Sharanya. Yes, Parth. Okay, next one. One thousand six hundred 29 times 42. Yes, Sujal, correct. Swastik, correct. Others, Vyan, Sharanya. Parth, okay, correct. Fine, good. So 9 times 2, 18. Then 5. Okay, then 0. Yes, correct. Solve the next one. Okay. Did I make a mistake somewhere? Oh, yeah. 68,418. Yes, good. Next one. Oh, okay. Someone has answered Sujal. Okay, let's check that. So 5 times 4, 20. Sujal, yeah, I think the earlier one was not correct. Yeah, 1,61,840. Yeah. Others? Parth, Vihan, Sharanya. Okay, yeah. Now, next one, 4,082 times 17. Swastik, now answer this one, 4,082 times 17. So 7 times 2, 14. 7 times 8 is 56. And 7, 5, 28. Add a 0 here. Okay, Swastik, you are still on this one. Parth, I think you are right. Let's finish this. So 804. Yeah, 69,394. Others? Sharanya? Swastik, check your answer. Okay, last 4 questions. Vihan, it should be 69,394, not 84. You made a mistake. Okay, next one. Sharanya has answered. Sharanya, let's see. Yeah, most of you have answered. 1,74,261. Let's check. Looks correct. Yes, 1,74,261. Okay, Sujal has answered. Next one. So let's see. Zero 7,281. Yes, Sujal, this one is correct. 21,924. Next one. Zero, zero. Another zero. Now here, be careful, guys. So 1,80,600. Yes, others. Saranya, Parth. Last one. Sujal, this doesn't look correct. First of all, the ones digit cannot be 6. This is plausible. Let's see. 8 times 1 is 8. 16. So, Parth, your answer looks different from Sujal's answer. So one of you is wrong. Let's see. So seven. Yeah, 4,85,238. Sharanya, which one is this? 93,315. No, Sharanya. Parth, check your answer again. Vihan, Swastik, where are you guys? Yes, Vihan. So we just have to be a bit careful, right? You have to just follow the same process. Okay. So now with this, let's move on. Okay, we have finished this exercise. Now let's look at few tricks. Okay, how many of you were not present in the first session? Just raise your hand or respond. Okay, Sharanya was not. Who else? Parth, were you there? Parth, Vyan. Okay, Vyan, what do you mean by that? You were not there. Okay. So in the first session, we discussed one trick, okay, to write the multiplication table of any two-digit number. So I'll just quickly uh, discuss that, and those who know, they can do it with me. So let's say we have a number 37. Okay. Now those who know, try to quickly write the multiplication table. For others, I'm going to explain. So this is a simple trick. So what we do, first we write both the numbers like this. Okay, so then we write the multiples of each of these numbers. Okay, so multiple of 3, first multiple is 3 itself, then 3 times 2 basically is 6. That's the second multiple. Then 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, and 30. So we'll write the first 10 multiples. Similarly, we'll write the first 10 multiples of 7. So the first one is 7 itself, then it's 14, then it's 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, and 70. Okay. After that, to write the table of 37, the first thing we need to do is just take the ones digit of the multiples of 7. Okay. Take them all here. So 37 times 1. Write 7, then 4, 1, 8, 5, 2, 9, 6, 3, 0. Okay, write all of them here. After that, add multiples of 3 and tens digit of multiples of 7. That means, so here there's no tens digit, so we'll put 0. So we have to add 3 and 0. That gives us 3. So 37 times 1 is 37. Okay. Then 6 plus 1 is 7. Then 9 plus 2 is 11. 12 plus 2. Okay, we are adding these. Next, we will add these. 14. Then 15 plus 3. 18. 18 plus 4. 22. 21 plus 4. 25. 24 plus 5. 29. 27 plus 6 is 33. And 30 plus 7 is 37. So, is this clear, guys? This is times 3, times 4, and so on. Okay, Swastik, others? Sharanya? Sharanya, Vihan? Okay, fine, great. So this was one trick which we discussed in the first session. Now let's come to another one. Okay, so multiplication by 11. So how do we multiply by 11? Especially 3-digit numbers or 2-digit numbers. Okay. So let's discuss it. So we have 768. Okay, and we need to multiply it by 11. So first step is to write the ones digit of this number as it is. Okay, that will be a part of the product. Okay, then okay, Sujal, that's correct. Good. Is that correct? Just check once, Sujal. So one times, so basically we'll write the ones digit of 768 here. So it's 8. That's the first step. Second step is to add the ones and tens digit. Okay, so ones digit is 8, tens digit is 6. So 6 plus 8 is 14. Okay, let's keep these here. So we have placed 8 here. Now 6 plus 8 is 14. So again, what we'll do, we'll take the ones digit of this. So 4. And we'll keep this for now, the tens digit. Okay, keep it for now. Then the third step, add the tens digit and hundreds digit. Okay, so we'll add 7 plus 6. This was equal to 13. Okay, that's the third step. Just a second. Now we're going to add this one, this green one, okay, to this sum. 13 plus 1, this becomes 40. Okay, and we will again move the ones digit here. Okay, so we have another 4. We'll keep this 1 as it is. Okay, we'll keep it here for now. And the final step is add this 1 to the hundreds digit. So 7 plus this one is 8. And finally, this 8 moves here. So the answer is 8,448. Yes, Vihan, correct. But Sujal, yeah, your answer was not correct. So you can check this. 768 times 11 is 8,448. Now, did you understand, guys? Give me a thumbs up if you did. Okay, Vihan. Okay, Sharanya. I'll explain again. I'll take another example. Okay. So, anyone else who did not understand? Parth? Swastik? Swastik? Parth, are you guys there? Okay, Parth, good. So you understood. Fine, Sharanya. So yeah, please pay attention. Others, those who understood the trick, try to multiply 279 by 11. Okay, those who have understood. Parth, Vihan, Sujal, Sharanya. So let's discuss this. So see, yeah, Sujal. Okay, good. So Sharanya, the first step is to just take the ones digit of the number. Okay, that's simply 9. Okay, I'm writing the final answer here. So I'll take the ones digit of the given number will actually be the ones digit of the product. Okay. Then, okay guys, Vihan and Sujal, I think you guys have solved it. Good. Then we are going to add the ones and the tens digit. So here it's 7 and 9. 7 plus 9 will give us 16. Okay. Now again, we will take the ones digit of this number. That will become the tens digit of the product. And we will keep the tens digit for now. Okay. We'll keep it as it is. Then the third step, we are going to add the tens and the hundreds digit. Okay. So 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. Now the fourth step is we are going to add this one, okay, this green one to 9. Okay. 9 plus 1, this becomes 10. And now the ones digit of this will again be moved here. It becomes the hundreds digit of the product. And finally, and we will keep this as it is. In the fifth step, we will take the hundreds digit alone, okay, and add this one here. So it becomes 3, and this 3 moves to here. So the answer is 3069. Yes, Sharon, did you understand? So initially it will take some time. Okay. And once once you understood the process, then you can solve problems. Okay. Okay, good, Sharanya. Fine. Others, Swastik? Okay, fine. Good, guys. Now let's move to one more concept. Okay, one more trick, which depends on the problem actually. So let's say uh, this is known as multiplication using distribution. So let's say we have this problem. Okay, so here you can see huge numbers. Okay, we have 73,527. Okay, then 124, and we have to find the value of this. So one way is to, of course, multiply these two first, okay, and then these two, and finally add the product. But that will take a lot of time. But if we look at the question carefully, we can see that this is common here, okay, in both the products. So we can actually take it out. Okay, it's a common factor. So 73,527 times 124 plus 76. Now, did you understand this step, guys? Okay, Swastik, others? Sharanya? Okay, so now when I do that, Now 73,527 times, now 124 plus 76 is actually 200. Okay. Now this is relatively easy. Okay. So we just need to multiply this by 2 and then the product by 100. So we get yes, Sujal, your answer is not correct. So this is the final answer. So it's 1 crore 47 lakh 5,400. Yes, guys, did you understand this? Yes, Susan, what happened? So see, we need to multiply 73,527 by 200. So 73,527 times 2 is actually 1,47,054. And then when you multiply this by 100, you get this number. Yes, others? Vehan? Sujal, did you understand? Okay, okay, good. Sharanya? Swastik? Yeah, so this trick is dependent on the question. Okay. So we need to spot this. Okay. Fine. So I think time is up. Let's end the session here. Okay. So I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kapil. The tricks is very interesting, especially this multiplication by 11. In fact, I didn't learn during my school days. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. So it will, yeah, it will be very helpful. Sujal, would you like to say something?
Ma'am, class is very interesting and mathstricks is very easy.
That's good to know. But okay, thank you so much, Sujal. Maybe we can turn off your video now. So we are uploading this math concept lectures, especially lecture first and lecture second has been uploaded to YouTube, and you can go to our channel and watch it there. I will also share the link on WhatsApp, like if you have joined our math concept WhatsApp group. And please subscribe to the channel so that you can get an update and notification when we upload our next lecture. You can watch the lecture there, and you can revise your concepts, and you can practice more questions, right? And also, please, it's good that yeah, we have seen that especially in this class, you are not starting your video and camera when it's not us, so that's a good thing. And our next session will be on 23rd Jan, which is Tuesday next week. So we will see you all there. And yeah, so all the best. Keep practicing. The more you practice, the more you become better, and you can do it very fast. One more thing I would like to point out is like, yeah, most of the questions you have answered correctly and fast too, but sometimes some silly mistakes were made, which happens, but do remember that in the exams, not only the speed matters, but the correct answer matters, because only then we get the marks, right? So sit calmly and just think twice before, or you can recheck your calculations. And if you practice more and more, then your speed will also increase. Okay, then we'll see you next week. Thanks again, Kapil sir. Okay, bye then. Enjoy your weekend.